Okay.
Here we go.
We have a new version of Horsey. Oh, my cheeks hurt. You're so funny, Jack. Oh, that's a nice armrest, huh? Yeah. Don't poke Dad's eye out.
Ready?
Oh boy! Oh boy!
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Whoa! What a big boy! Let's show everyone how he kind of walks a little. Come here. Hi. Hi. Look how he's watching his feet. Yeah. He is fearless. He jumped off Jackson's lap onto the kitchen floor. Thankfully, Jackson was holding him because he landed on his feet, but he did not care.
You walk by yourself. By yourself.
Hey!
Go to Mom.
Hey, buddy. Wobbly legs. Hi. Oh boy. Oh boy. Jack, come here. Come here. Come here. He's more interested in what Dad's doing, huh?